Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool. So we have discussed about this AI tool for conclusion writing. So other than that, it is having different kind of options like paraphrasing as like in Quillbot, and also you can have a plagiarism checking option in that also. So let us see how this AI tool works out for our academic writing, and let us see what are the important templates available for our research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on designing of PV wind powered EV charging stations. In this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy as our input sources, and then we are going to implement maximum power point tracking algorithm in both of them in order to grasp maximum amount of energy from them. And then we are going to incorporate it with EV charging station, and we are going to check how the charging and discharging is done in EV charging. So if you are curious to know more about that EV charging station, so don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on DC and AC microgrid modeling with PV, wind and battery systems. So in this workshop, we are going to model PV, wind energy and a DC microgrid system with battery, and then we are going to connect it with the AC microgrid. We are going to operate this microgrid in both grid connected as well as standalone mode. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. If you want to know more about this microgrid design, don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. So moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that Editpad. So in this Editpad, you will be having, these are the different kind of options you are having: plagiarism checking, paraphrasing tool, story generator, text summarizer, AI essay writer, extract text from image. So these are the different options available. So first I am going to click this paraphrasing tool. So you can see it is similar to that of that is Quillbot dashboard. So here you can enter the content need to be paraphrased here. So I am going to enter some random content here. For that I am going to go to ChatGPT. So here I am going to take some random content here. So the content generated by ChatGPT. Yes, so I am going to copy this content, paste here. So these are the different options available in this particular Editpad: reworder, formal, simple, fluency, creative, professional, natural, improver, academic, expand, shorten. So but only thing is that you cannot use it for free, you have to go for that is pro option. So only you can use this smooth, other than that you can use this reworder, formal, after that, so up to formal you can use. So and then you have to go for subscription option. So after giving all these things, so you just click on paraphrase it. So it will take several seconds and it will paraphrase the content. So as like in Quillbot, you can see this is how the content is paraphrased here. So instead of using Quillbot itself or any other paraphrasing use that is tool itself, so you can use this kind of option to reduce plagiarism in your research paper. So this is how you can use this paraphrasing content. So next one is text summarizer. So you can copy and paste the content here. Automatically the output will be appeared here. So here you can see, just click on summarize. So it will take several seconds and summarize. Yes, here you can see the number of words is reduced here. So this is how you can adjust the summary of that particular content also. So 50% or 60% or whatever you want you can select. So accordingly it will summarize. Whenever you are asked to reduce the content, that is number of words in your research paper or number of pages, so you can use this kind of option instead of deleting some important points. So you can use this option to summarize the content. So this is how you can use this AI summarizer option. So next one is AI essay generator. So here you can give your essay topic here. For example, I am going to give IoT based applications. Like that you can give an essay, that is essay topic here. So you can add whatever you want, short, medium, long, whatever you want you can add. So for long essays you have to go for subscription option. Other than that you can use it for free. So I am going to short, it's giving short itself, default high school, middle school, college, graduate. I am going to give as a graduate, and then if you want the style of that particular references, so you can give whatever you want, that is style, reference style. So next one, essay is how your essay will be. So it is like academic essay. So after that, giving all the important details, so you can just give on write my essay. So automatically it will analyze the input prompt you have given and the details what you have given, then essay will be generated. So it will take several seconds to generate the essay. So this is how you can use this Editpad AI. Yes, our essay is generated. So the Internet of Things has emerged as a transformative force across the various sector, enabling a wide range of applications that enhance efficiency, improve decision making and foster connectivity. Essentially, IoT refers to the network of interconnected devices. So like that, detailed essay is generated. So next one is, so if you want another version of this particular topic, the same kind, so you can just click on essay 2. So automatically it will generate essay for you. Here you can see this is the another version. So the proliferation of Internet of Things based applications have profoundly reshaped various aspects. That is, for a single prompt you can get different kinds of content. So this is how you can explore this Editpad in the essay writing option. So other than this, this is a plagiarism checker. So you cannot use this kind of tool for plagiarism checking. So you can go for a better plagiarism checking tool like Turnitin. So and then you can see story generator. So you can generate a story. Next one is extract text from image. So you can upload your image automatically. You can extract the text you can use that also for free. So this is how you can use this Editpad instead of using a Quillbot itself or any other paraphrasing tool itself. So you can use this option to generate or you can paraphrase the content, or this AI essay writer is a fantastic option. So you can generate a better content for your research paper in different version for a single prompt. So hope this video will bring an aware about this particular essay AI writer, that is Editpad AI and essay AI writer in them. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.